Welcome, today I am with the SONY Xperia 5 Mark IV and I'm going to show you the base function of the camera. Okay, so as I said, we are going to focus on the basic functions. And at the first, we can zoom feature right here by tapping on this presets. That's very obvious, right? And it works very smooth. For example, we can focus on this button right here, but also we can zoom in and by pinching screen with your two fingers and by using the volume buttons. So we can click volume up and also volume down. You zoom in or zoom out. It works really good. To taking photos, you can just use the shutter. You probably know that, but there is also a dedicated button right here at the bottom next to your USB-C port. So when you click on it, click and hold, you will take photo. When you click on it gently, you will catch focus, but when you press on it, you will take the photo. Okay, next we can focus about the brightness adjustment. So we can make it by tapping right here, and in this place you can increase or decrease the brightness level. Right here you can set the white balance. To reset parameters, click in this place. Next, you can also add delay to your shutter between 3 or 10 seconds. As you can see, we can see the countdown right here. We can also set series of the photo. As you can see right now, we are taking photos and there is also the countdown right here. And in this phone, I guess we can go over 100 photos. Yeah, as you can see, we are taking still photos. That's really great feature. You can adjust it by changing these options right here. You can also turn it off by select this option. Next, we can also adjust the aspect ratio for the camera, but you have to remember that each time you change it, you will also change the photo quality. So always is the best to stay with the 4:3. And next, you can also go for the menu, where you can find other parameters. Like for example, you can you can enable the grid lines. They will help us to take better composition on the photos, and right now they appears on the list. Let's scroll down. We can also switch function of the volume buttons. We can use them as a zoom, but we can also use as the shutter or volume button. We can turn on or turn off the haptic vibrations. When you input the SD card, you are able to change the place when you're gonna save your photos. So for example, you can make it on the SD card. You can also connect the Bluetooth remote controller. So if you have one, you can pair it right here in the camera settings. And there is also other features. When you click right here, you can switch between other modes. So as you can see right here, we can find a lot of things. If you are a professional photographer or you know what is going on in the photography, you will be able to use it. But if you are like base user, I can definitely recommend you to stay right here. The phone will adjust most of the settings automatically. So yeah, that's all for this video, the basic functions of the camera and the SONY Xperia 5 Mark IV. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.